Hey everyone, so in this video we will guide you how you can use TDS functionality on Transact. So obviously on multiple invoice you need to deduct the TDS and then after you need to log the payment. So on Transact that functionality is available from where you can do that and how you can do that. Let me show you. So first of all what you need to do, go to all modules. After that you need to go to payments module. Now once you will come in payments module, so please check these as your invoice list, payable, receivable, and each and every detail here. Fine. Now, how you can split a TDS on the same. So, suppose this is one of my invoice on which I want to split the TDS. The amount is 17,700 and there is no other amount here. So, I will select this particular invoice and then after click on other action. Once I click on other action, you need to click on split items. Click on this. Now, split option, here you will find the TDS option. You can mention the percentage as per your requirement, 5%, 6%, 10%. In my case, I will simply just mention 10%, or you can manually enter the amount as well here. Now, I will click on save. Once I click on save, please check my TDS is captured in the split amount. I can simply just go ahead and log the payment. I can go ahead and mark the payment log on TDS as well. From where? Click on type and then after go to TDS and other charges. Now here, please check this is the TDS which we splitted. So this is how you can manage the TDS and accordingly can manage your accounting. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to manage your TDS. Have a good day ahead.